So what we discussed, we had completed anchor tag, then image, and some part of the CSS. So today we have to discuss regarding the table concept. We had discussed regarding the float property of the CSS. Then we had gone through the overview of this image map, then background image property, then picture. Had you guys practiced regarding that one, image map? Had you tried? So let's start a table. So how we can create table? So for creating table, we have to use the table tag. Okay. So let's say use table tag, and inside the table, so we have two things. One will be row, another will be column. So row in the sense left to right. When we moving from the left to right, that is row. So what we have to do? We have to take one row, and inside this row, because we moved from horizontal to so this is your table complete section. After this, one row in the sense left to right, this one. How many rows is there right now? So right now one row, two row, and that larger section. So this is your first row, then this is second row, and this is your third row. So that's why we will take TR. Okay. And now, so here we have to make column. How to make column? So column will be from top to bottom like this way. So right now we taken this column. So for creating the column, we will use T and D, TD, not a TC, something like that. T row for column, TD for TR for row, TD for column. Means what will happen? We will get this cell, this one intersection of the row and column is known. There we will get one cell. So this one is one cell. This is another cell. So similarly, suppose this is another column. So this will be one cell. Got it? So like this type cell is going to create, and like that data we will insert our data. So suppose that we will create one table where we will hold the student detail. Table will hold a student data. Let's save now, and let's look over the browser what we getting. So what we got? We got just a student detail because that is written in the H1 tag. Now in the this TD. So before that we will construct some data. What data? What are the data we can hold in the case of the student detail? Tell me. What are the data we can hold? So we will take name. After that, before name, take a roll number. After that, class. Next, suppose that we going to hold a student result. Okay. So class. After that, take some subject name. Math. Okay. Then physics. Then chemistry. Then bio. So this much we have to create. Now come to the point. So in TD, what we will give? We will give here roll number. It's a save. And now look over the browser. So what we got? We got the roll number. Similarly, what we want? We want a name, class, like that. So as much data you want, means column you want, that much TD you have to take. So I will take TD again, and now we will give name. And let's look. So whatever data you giving, that coming into the same line. You can tell left to right. Again, give TD class. Save. It's not going into new line. It's going continue. TD class. Next, math marks. Okay. Let it don't hold this marks word there. Again TD. Then PH by physics. Then again TD. Then chemistry. Let it do it this much. Now, so this is your what? This is your header. Now we have to put the data. Means roll number. We will put the data. Then name. We will put the data. Now think one thing. So this is your one row. Correct? This is one row. So now I want to store the record of 5 students. It means how many rows should be there? 5 row. Means we will take here 5 row. 1 row. Similarly, I will take another row. This time we have to take 5 row. Right now we will go just with 1 row and then we will enter the data. Now inside what we will give? We have to pass the data. Data number 1. Then how we will take the data? With the help of TD. Roll number 1. Save. You can see it's started into the new row. Similarly, we will give another TD for the username. Suppose username is Mohan. Now give another TD and that is for class. Suppose that this is for class 9. Let's save. Then next, you can see one thing. Whatever data you are getting, that is means on the top you have roll number, then data you will get below of that column. Okay, so like here you can see the class, here you are getting the data. So like that, it is below, it's not going to match in previous row or somewhere like that. So 9th, now math marks, give 90 and give 29, give 80. Now you can see. If I will give one more TD, what will happen? Can you guess? It will go outside because there is no column for this one. Means there is no header section for this. Okay. So similarly, what we want, we have to. This is for one student. How to create for the 5 student? Then just copy this TR and modify the data. Paste and modify. This is your student number 2, Mohan. This is your Sohan, S-O-H-A-N. 9th class, let it to be. And marks wise, 89, 23, then second student. Similarly, if you want third student, put third. And then give the data. So like this type, what we had done, we created one student data where the header is like roll number, name, these all things, and data is coming like. So what we taken, we have two property, we taking two tags, one in the root, we taking the table, and after that we have to use tr and td. Clear? Now, but here we have one thing, one issue till now, whatever we had done, we have one issue. What is that? So the color of this one means a data and color of the header, both are same, but it should not be like that. The color of the header have to change. It should have to look like that is a special thing. Okay. So what we had done, we had taken here TD. We will not take the TD. We will take TH because we have to tell that this is your header part. Okay. So make everywhere TH because this is a header. Now you can see the difference. Earlier it was not bold. Right now we getting the bold. We can, and don't think that we will take that bold tag. Always take because there is some parent and child relation. inside the table, we are not taking any another tag. We are just taking the tag which is equivalent with the, which is the part of that table tag only. Why we had not taken the span or a h1 tag or p tag, any tag? Because we not want only there is parent and child relation, table tag is there. So whatever table property having means like a child of the table, those only we will take. A span you can take, but mostly we trying to avoid those all things. Okay, now what I want to make a border. Right now we getting the plane, so for those we have to use the css. And let's move to the css part. How we will get the border? What is the css property? So that is border, 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 and we will take 3 pixel and sorry, the mistake. I need to be right here something. Later we will see. Table, border, 3 pixel, solid. What happened? We got border. Now think here. We got a border in the complete table. Where is the table? Outside. What about inside? This part. So this is your one row. Then this is another row. Correct? Then like this type. So we will take that row also. So how we will take another means another, suppose that we have to apply the same css on tr, because that is a table row. So we will write like this. Did not got anything. That's okay. Now, so we have one cell. This one is one cell. Then this one is another cell. This one is another cell. Means like intersection point of row and column. Both are, that is cell. So here what we had taken? Here we had taken tr. Now take td and let's see. So what happened? We got the border for each one. But why we not got for the title tag, means a header section? Because we had taken here td, but what is this? th. So we have to take for the th. In the sense, we will again write the code and th. Now save. Now see, we got. Okay, up to here you have any doubt? Then tell. Clear? So what we done? We created table.
Yes, sir. Clear.
We taken some data. There is a tr and th, td. 3 things: table, tr, td, th. So th when we are taking for the header section, td when we taking for the data side. And even if you want to make some bold like this part, then you can apply the bold tag, or otherwise you can take th also. It's not the issue. Fine. Next, come to the css. What mistake is there? One issue is there, means not issue. There is lengthy code actually, because here you have taken border. This common border property is applied over all the 3, like table, td, th. Why not we can merge all the 3 in one line? Okay, so what we can do? So we had applied over the th or td. So if when we want merging of the css, means grouping, we can tell grouping. So we will use comma and give another tag td. Let's save and check whether it's working. It's worked, because bottom you seeing that it's already commented. For th it's not there, comma th. So like this type we are grouping the css. When suppose that same css we have to write for the multiple tag, so we will not write same css for multiple tag, multiple line. We will group all together, because it going to decrease the line of code. Clear? Now what is the problem? Problem is that this css, means the border of each one, there is one gap between that. So I not want the gap. So what we will use? We have one property, border collapse. Okay. So border collapse. You have one collapse that is a default. We have to use collapse. Okay. Let's see. So what happened? Due to the border hyphen collapse value, all the gapping between each cell, or you can tell hi cell itself. So those got removed. Here, I not thinking any dot. Now, suppose that the text, whatever is written, I want to increase the size. Means, sorry, not for the text, like a cell area, I want to increase. What I can do? We can use which property? Can be use height and width. Let's try. But one thing. Okay, fine. Height, give 23 pixel. Let's see what happened. Let's take width as well. 45 pixel. Let's see. So yeah, it increased 45 pixel. But it's increasing. But the problem is that it increasing for the complete table. You can see. But we not want for the complete table. We want for just for the cell part. So don't take like this. So for which tag we will apply? For which tag? Because right now on the top, that is for the common. It's sure that it will not have to use the common. So what we want? We want for TD and TH. Let's save and now see. So let's increase the height and width. Let's give 100 pixel and see. Yeah, you can see that height got increased. Height related to be fine, but width we can increase 100. Let's see. So we got the width got increased. Clear? So like this time we can increase the area. Second thing, the text by the text we getting this one text is in the left side. Okay, I want in the center. What we will do? Which property? I think we had discussed with CSS text alignment. Okay, center. Let's see. Got all the text in the center part. So similarly, if you want in the right side, remove this property and let's see. Right. Save. Like this type, wherever you want, you can move the text. Okay, one question. I want to change the position of the table. Right now, table is in the left side. Move 100%. Yeah. How to get this table in the right side? Property. You want to place this complete table in the right side. How to
float
property. So on which tag we will use the float? Like all on 3 or what?
on table.
We will take all. We will just take table because we want to move the table. Think like that we want the root means complete. मुझे root में चाहिए तो हम root को ले लेंगे and float and right. Let's see. So we got in the right side. Fine. Don't take the complete like a text TD and those all. Otherwise those will also move. I don't know what will happen. Let's see. No, nothing had happened for that. But we will not take on TD and TH. Okay. So like this type we can move. So let it to be float and put here left itself. Fine. Now, if you want to add background color, you can add whatever you want. Suppose I want for particular column means suppose 9th class or 89. So you have to go for particular column itself. Suppose that this one. So here you can write a style and a background color and red. So like this type you have to go. Okay. And whatever text you want, color of the text, those all things you can do like this individually. Because how we can target means just one section. When we will go in the upcoming, then we will see how to target that individual. But right now we don't know anything. Okay. Next. Now thing is that this, okay, here we have math, physics, chemistry. Okay, one before that, here we had used a h1 tag. I not want to use h1 tag. Okay, so we have one tag itself in the table part. Tell me what is that? Any idea?
Yes, tag.
Which tag?
Yes.
No, I forgot that name. 1 second. Table row header caption. APTION. Now you can see the table name came on the top of the table in the middle section. Okay, so that is due to the caption. So these are all actually, now you can see in the table means if anyone asking you the elements of table tag, you can simply tell that caption is there, tr, th, td, these all things. Okay, now I want to add one. How we can add there it will be not possible. I have to take one row itself, then one little possible. Okay. Let it to be modify something, then we can. So actually for this 3 column, these all are marks. So what is my need? My need is like this. Just to think, this is one section, and we will take here one column like this. Okay, this is grouping, means we can tell this is your marks marks, like this type. Okay, and below we will place all the things. So now what we will do, we will take one more row, means we have to modify the requirement. See, whatever we have to study in table we had discussed. Okay, some things are there still, but so see, suppose this is 9th class, this also 9th class, and this also 9th class. Why be writing 3 times? No need to write 3 times. Merge all the cell. What we can do? How to merge? Where is the 9th? Yeah. Which tag? We'll take call span. Okay, and how many column we want to merge? Column or row? Column, I think. Yeah. So how many column we want to merge? 3. We will take 3 here. Let's see. Oh, sorry, that will be row span. So you can see all the 3 got merged in one, but as you had merged this one, this part got in the inside. So what we have to do, we have to remove that one. So delete this one. Okay, and similarly delete this as well. So now you can see it's proper, because this is class and overall we have 9th class. Similarly, suppose this is math, physics, and chemistry. I want to display one row, means we want to now merge column. So what we will do, we will use call. Do one thing, I will make some common marks, 50 50 50 for all. What happened? Here it gone. Oh, this one it gone. Sorry. Okay, got it. For one student, we have to do that. Common marks. Sorry. This. You can see this all three having common. I want to merge that all the three. What we will do? We have to use the property. Which one? Call span. And how many column? So you have to count the column. How many column are there? 3 column. We will give 3. And one thing, we are not writing in the CSS. This call property, what is this one? This is the attribute of TD. TD, TR like that. So as you merged, whatever extra column are there, it will go outside. So what we have to do? We have to remove. Now it's fine. Clear? So what we done? Still, we had created one table. In the table, we had used a TH property, TD, TR. After that, we had put it into the center. We had tried to increase the height and width of the area. Second, okay. Next, what we done? We had tried to move the table in the right side of the screen, means of the browser. Till that, okay. Next, how we had a merge column and row. We had applied some CSS like background color of the particular cell that we done. Now, till now, table completed. There is nothing now. Now, one time I will go to that. So see here. So this is your table. Like this you have to design. So define an HTML table. Fine. Be done. What is cell? Intersection of a row and column. That is your cell. Next table row. That's fine. Table header already be done using th. Next table tag. So these all things completed. And yeah, one thing in the table, if you want to write something differently, okay, like suppose we directly take in table. If you want to like a table head, you can go like that also. So T head, and in this we can put table head. No changes will be there. Everything will be same. Now, if you want table footer, T foot, and if you want something like a amount calculation or total marks, yeah, let's say take total marks itself. TR. Next, we will take TD, and in TD, what we will give? Total marks. Let's see here. Now, tell me one thing. I want this total marks, this section to be written up to this one class. What we will do? Right now, total marks is coming in this part only. This in the row column roll number. I want up to class. What we will do? See, table be completed. Now we are doing some practical type, that how we can modify. What we will do? So we want up to class. What we had just now we studied for merging part. What is the tag attribute name? Row or call? Correct. So we will use call span. How many? 3. So now you can see this total marks have gone up to the class. And now math, physics, and chemistry, we want complete total marks. What we will do? So we will take TD. So suppose that how many marks is there? 200. First one is 200. Let's save. So we got 200. Similarly, for the next, how much? Do addition. Student 79, 79, 80, 80, 160, 160, 6, 320, 320 में से एक कम, 319. सही है क्या? मालूम नहीं. I think that
318.
कितना? 318. जो भी हो. Okay. And third का कितना है? 6, 5, 11, 8, 1,
190. नहीं 390. 290 होगा. 290.
6 5 11 हो गया।
290 सर।
कैसे 100
नहीं,
110
हाँ
हुआ ना, 60 5 है
190 हुआ।
190
हाँ
ठीक है चलिए। So what we got total calculation for that completely. Here we shown total marks, and what we was thinking, to display for this part on the top like this is marks. So how we will make? Now think, I want to add one more row where on the top we want to write like a call marks. So simply what we have to do, we have to create first one row. So before this one, create one row and make td as well and write something for testing purpose. Now see, but this one I not want here, this one I want on the top of that. Okay, or do one thing, this one put inside this. Okay, fine, but this theory I want to place in the right side. How it will be do, how it will move, what we will do. So no, text align. Okay, one second. Text align you told. Where is that tr? Where we will take the okay, in each you telling, correct?
Yes,
If,
sir.
if you will take text align, let's say right here itself, text align right side. Let's see what happened. This text gone because this have only that much area. Each text having that much boundary point, it will not go outside. Okay, next all span, where
कॉलेज का नहीं है सर।
Yes, sir.
where we will take all span will not work because call span going to merge, we not want to merge, we have to move this one in the right side, correct? So what we will do, here there is no column, we have to add the column. Means first we will write here td, let's see, oh sorry, right here td before. Now you can see one td came, it moved inside, then take again td. Now see, one more should be required, let's give. Now you can see math physics came this side, but what we want for this one, role name class below one, this cell we not want. What we will do, simply merge that. How many? 2, correct? Give call span 3, it got merged. Next, on the top we want some content like total marks, correct? Give that. It means we have to write here sorry, th and marks. Let's see, marks. We got the marks word here, but this should be available for the complete math, physics and chemistry. What we will do, means merging
Yes.
call span 3. Clear? Up to here I think it's fine. Now one issue, what is another issue? This empty box we not want. What we will do,
merge,
roll,
we can merge sir
which one we
with
will
row
merge?
span.
A row span means where we will write for this row, correct? Take for the row, it going to somewhat tedious, slowly row, sorry, row, what happened? Is that somewhere mistake? Roll number, this one,
पार्टिकुलर करना पड़ेगा सबको।
let's see, row span 3. Sorry, not going like that.
1 1 तक
one it will not work, but top row itself we have to merge. So span 3. No, it's not. Because if we will take a roll number, then we have to remove the bottom. It will be a problem. That is the case. Then roll number, no. Okay, 1 second. Let's take a call span. Let's see what happened. Call span roll number. So that merged. We want below 1 for span. Oh, that one is not merging. That is the problem because of this row actually. In that case, we have to go. We can use some CSS or JavaScript. Then only it will be something. Okay, let it to be also. But the requirement is that whenever you will get, then you have to think that how we can move. Got it? Like where you have to merge or what part you have to merge. You want the empty HTD. Suppose you not want the data. What we had done, we take an empty TD. There is no content. Okay, because we want the space. For adding the space, we can take. So like this, we have to move. Now come to the CSS part. Let's just see that one time. So border already be seen that one. Collapse already be completed. Now style the border. Border already we had done. Now come to the CSS. So let's take background color as a green. Complete table become green. But what I want that when I moving over one row, okay, for one particular row, the color should be something different. Which color? Background color. Okay, let's say aqua green. So let me comment this one time. It's fine. But I not want this color always. I want only when I putting the cursor over this particular row. How to make that? Which CSS we will use? Yesterday we had seen
Hover,
over.
sir.
So H over. Let's see that what happened. Not work. यहाँ पर हमारा ओके 1 सेकंड
सर
TR
वो डॉट
हाँ
जो है ना डबल डॉट एक और डॉट लगेगा सर
नहीं
खबर
डॉट
के
सही है हमें TD पे भी लेना पड़ेगा इसीलिए आइए थे हाँ TR को दिए TD को TD एंड TH लेकिन रो होना चाहिए था रो में क्यों गड़बड़ हो रहा है रो तो हमारा एक कंप्लीट रो है तो कंप्लीट रो इन द सेंस TR हो गया TD अच्छा TR let me check here in the CSS. So border TD, these all things completed, rounded table border. Okay, let's come to this part as well. Then we will look that. So now I want to make a round, this circular shape. Circular in the sense bottom. What we will do? We will use the CSS property border radius because border is so that border itself we will make curve. It will be final. So we will take border radius and give in, and let's see when we giving in the px value, then what is happening, and when we giving the percentage, then what is happening. Border radius 120. Let's save. Let's see. So each cell you getting means each row, it's row making in the circular shape. But what I want complete table itself. So give percentage and let's save. Sorry. No. 1 second. We want table actually, na? So we have to give for the table. I think that table have to work. Order radius. Percentage. I think that one itself it will work. Which one is taking? Table. I think that one itself we have to. For this actually, this is a border. So border, I not thinking that will be. Then skip border around the table by leaving the table of the CSS. If you not want the border, we have to left that table property. Okay. If we will remove that table. Yeah. So but in this case, we have not the border on the complete table. That's why we got like this. But we will take the table itself first. And then we have dotted table, means the border having maximum value. Now you can see the value. So we have dotted, dash, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, offset, none, hidden. Okay, so this was values of border having. Mostly what we had done, we had used solid, and I had used sometime grooves as well, and sometime dotted as well. So these all are values are there. So just one time check what is happening. Next, border color. These all things. When we will study the border, then that time we can go individual property. Right now, we will not go in the individual. Next, table size. If you want to increase or decrease, then you have to take the height or width. We already done this thing. Next, table column. Suppose that you want to increase or decrease the column width or height. You can do like that with the help of the height and width. Now, if you want to make the table in the full screen, what we have to give? We have to use the table width equal to 100%. Right now, we had not given, no, it's not given. Now give a table and width equal to 100%. Let's see what happened. We got table in the complete screen. If you want somewhat less, you can give whatever value you want. Give 70 pixel, 70%. It came in the 70. If you want a half, then you can give 50%. Half of the screen. Okay. So like this type, you can give 100%. It on 8,000. You can give 100%. Clear? So this type we can set the table in the complete width or wherever you want. Then table header, we already done. If you want to put the style for the header, you can do that. Means just you have to think regarding the CSS. Next, vertical table header means you can see here in this section we have table. One table is like this type, okay, from the top to bottom, and another table header is like this. So what we have to do? Simply we have to add the th property. Wherever we want to make the header, we will make the th. That's it. You can see here there is one tr, and inside the tr we have th, 3 th. Similarly, if you want, here we have not, yeah, here you can see there is one tr, and here we have one th, then we have next th, and then we have next th. Means how many header you want, you can use the th property. That's it. Then alignment, already be seen that text alignment, center, and those all things. Header for multiple column, row span and column span, we already looked over. Table caption, caption in the sense name of the table, we already added that. Then we have table padding and spacing. Spacing in the sense the content one, means here the content is there and I want the space outside everywhere. Here we had used the height and width. Let's remove height and width now. We had taken where? Yeah, this one. Let's comment and now see. Then where is that another? This one is also effective. Fine. Now I want the space between each of the, means in the text part itself, inside. Let's inspect and let's see. So what we will do, select any of the th and add padding and give the value. Okay, we got a roll number. So similarly we can use for each value. So what we will do, let's try to add here padding. Now you can see that same equal space you will get for each one. Padding in the sense top left, and due to bits actually be getting some more space. Okay, so that is cell padding. So th and td. Then we have padding top, right, left, bottom. This we will discuss in the padding part of the CSS. Means how we can get a space inside, that is a discussion there. Then this going to merge, we already seen how we can merge this one. Column span, row span, we already done. Then table styling. Yeah. So let's take this part of CSS. Let's remove this background color, border radius, and make it normal completely. Now what I want nth child, means even child to be colored. Nth row, here we had used tr nth child. You can see how many. Just remove this background red also. Now you can see what we had added, tr nth child. What means nth child? It is CS property, CSS1. We will discuss more thing this one in the CSS, but right now we can see h over we had added. So similarly, this is nth child. There is a two keyword we can tell, or a type of this selector actually, that is pseudo class or pseudo element. So this is your element part. Okay, no, sorry, this is pseudo class. In pseudo class we are using one ratio symbol, that is proportion, and in the case of the element, pseudo element, we using two dot. That is the case. So here we using the nth child. What we have taken here, we taken even in the sense alternate it will take. Now take this one as a odd. Let's see, the color will be changed in the another one. Got it? So like this type, even and odd is working. Yeah, now your h over is working. Earlier also it was working, but due to the background color, we was not able to get the effect, and we had added this one on the row itself. Fine. Let's try to remove this one. I think then also it have to work. Yeah. Fine. I had thought, because when you will write multiple CSS, some CSS will be break your code. So it's will difficult. Next, zebra strip. So zebra strip in the sense alternate color like this one, which we moving in when we are moving the mouse, then we getting. And here you can see nth child even and nth child, sorry, TD and TH, same background color we are adding. Next, combine vertical and horizontal zebra strip. Then this is for TH and this is for sorry, TR, and here we taken for the TH and TD. So just simply like background color we have to add. That is nothing more. Okay. Now suppose that we not want CSS in means like in the top you getting the border. I not want. What we can do in the CSS, we have one more property like be using where that border is coming here. Let's take okay, take this complete and let's remove this one also, fine. And this border hyphen bottom, we can take border hyphen top by border hyphen bottom, left, right, like this. So what we want, we not want the border in the bottom, or if we want the border in the bottom only, then we can give like that. Let's say let it to be. Now you can see I had given border hyphen bottom. We want border only in the bottom. Then that's why we had used a border hyphen bottom. We got only in the bottom part, not on the top. If you want in the right side also, what we can do? Right here, border hyphen right, left, whichever section you want, and give the same property. 3 pixel, and I will take dotted and red. You got in the right side, but I want in the completely only in the row part, not in the all. Okay, so we can remove this TD. Sorry. TD. I think in that case we can go with TR. TR, will it work? Not have idea. TR. Let's try. Border. We want in the right side. Fine. Let's see. 1 second. Border right. Let's remove. Yeah. We got in the right side. So similarly, you want in the left side or whatever direction you want. You can break the code. You can write like this. Okay, H over table. Already we had done the CSS. So like this. This is your table group. It's for the grouping purpose. Clear? So this is the thing. So some more CSS is there. Just when you will go through the code, you will understand that how we can let it to be this call group. Then if we want to hide some column, what we will use? We have CSS visibility collapse. Hiding the column in the sense during starting itself we had done. There was one gapping between each of the cell we can tell. So that we was hiding. So that with the help of the collapse. Clear? So this is the table. Any doubt? Then tell me.
Sorry.
Clear?
No.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
we had gone through some of the practical work also, that how we can. So just make something like suppose you have a hotel and hotel menu is there. So you can create one table. There you can take some recipe and price and quantity and amount like that. Now we will take list. How to create? What are the types of list actually? What are the types of list? So let's see. So lists
Unordered,
are,
in order.
we can take three type. Okay. What are those all? So first we will take as ORDER order list. Next we can take as
Unordered.
unordered list, and next third one we can take as description list. Okay. If you're telling three list, then you have to tell the description also. Otherwise, you can tell two list, unordered or order. That's fine. Now, ordered and unordered. Let's come to that. Order in the sense OL. Okay. Inside OL, we will take LI. One thing you had seen when we were using the table, inside the table, what are the tags we had taken? We had taken TR, TD, TH, caption, those all. We had not taken H1. We not taken P. Why? Because those all tags, they have parent and child relation. You can't take any other tag inside. I can show you what is the issue. There will be no issue. You will not get any error, but there is some problem if you will take something like that. So where we can, how we can validate our HTML code, whether we had written that is proper code or not. So there is HTML validator like W3C validator, and you can validate your code here, that whether you writing the code that is correct or not. So you can, if you have some website, you can give directly the address, or otherwise if you have file, you can upload the file, or otherwise you can give direct input. I will take direct input. Control C, paste and check. Let's see how many error we getting and where we getting. So you can see the error number 1 you got in the case of the row and roll number. That is not error. Here we have a space. And here it will show the line number as well, from line number 61, column number 17 to line number 62. As you will click, you will go to that section. Okay, due to this row span, we getting error. What it mentioned? So table cell span past the end of its row group. List value say by a T head element clipped to the end of the row group. Means something is missing or what? Row TR. Here we taken TR. There is a TH. Okay, okay. So here we had taken the T head. Bottom we had taken T footer. So this all will be inside T body. Now let's see. If you're not writing T head, T body, it's not the problem. Okay. Now we got some more error. Line column number 4. What is the error? We taken the TR. Then it's giving, I think, due to the call span itself, this one. But anyway, that's no issue. But if you will write here any H1 tag, H2 tag, then you will see due to that, I think we taken this one actually, na T head. Let's remove it. 1 second. Let's comment this one. I think now we will not get error if we will not take. Input type, so How many error is there? These all error TD. Why it coming? Due to some space or what? A table row has byte and exceed the column count. Exceed the column count. Okay. I think it have to go along that. That's why. But this is not the error that due to row span or something that becoming. But if you will take here like h1 tag or p tag, let's see, write that, then see what we getting. We'll be getting some issue. I written there. Let's check. Yeah, you can see here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. No. 1 second. Where is that? What is there? A table row badge column number 5, which is lesser than the column number 6. Where is that th1? Yeah.
One sir, 6 number.
H1 in the table. Yeah, here we getting start tag h1 indent. Somewhere I think writing mistake is there. Yeah, maybe some writing mistake or due to comment these all things. No, this is fine. Written is fine, but that is the error. A table row has a column 5 column wide tdth1. Okay, 5 column wide, which is lesser than the column count is in the column number 6. Cannot resolve it after last error due to some, I think, alignment or something be getting the error. Start tag h1 in seen in the table. So actually this is not going to allow you. Okay, that is the thing. So mostly what we are doing, we are taking always parent and child relation. So similarly we will follow in the case of OL as well. So a small topic, it will not take much time. Yeah, so just what, suppose that what we can do. Yeah, we have some menu list, vegetable. Okay, potato. Let's save, and this is file number 5. Yeah, potato. Similarly we want, so this type you can see order is coming. But if you not want the order, what we can do, we can go unordered list, make it ul, just o become u, and everything fine. So in the case of the ul, you will get the dot sign. So similarly, if you have description list, what we are doing, dl, first we will take description. We are writing, suppose a noun, we are defining. So what we will do here, we have to take a dt, description title. So suppose that noun, noun. Now we have to use the data dd. Okay, all naming naming word. Save. Now see what is the difference in this case. We getting this title on the top, and then remaining part we will got some indentation. Correct, we getting some space, and then it will start the value. So that is the case. So whenever you have to use like some definition or something like this, you can use a description one. Clear? So, and regarding the css, just you can use the css whatever we had discussed. Let's go through here. So 3 type of the means 2 type here, order and unordered. Or unordered list means order will not matter. We will get dotted symbol, a small, that is your style type disk bullet as we telling. Next, description list. What means this? A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. What we had used? We had used DL, description list. inside we have title, suppose coffee, and description data, or a detail you can also tell DD, description detail. So like this type you can merge. If you want to merge in this itself, suppose that here, if you want to merge with suppose potato, okay, and you want to show the definition for this one, what we will do? We will use here description, first list, after that description, title. So title is potato. So take this potato here and put inside the 80, and then we have description detail, RVGTABLE, like this. Now you can see we have potato, and here we are writing the definition. Clear? So like this type we can merge whatever we want, how many we want, we can merge those all. So it's simple. Next, unordered list, unordered UL, and then we have to put the LI. Next, if you want list type, means you want to change the style of this dotted. So how we can do? We can go with the CSS. I will write the CSS here itself. Ordered list, no, unordered. Where is that? Yeah, here. Here we will take a style, and that is list a style type. Okay, we have another value. Let's say take a disk. Disk is by default actually. Let's check another square. Now you can see you got a square symbol. Then we have one more value. What is that one? Circle. You will get empty. Okay. So what is that CSS? That is list style type. We will study some CSS part more when we will learn the CSS. So if you have disk, circle, a square, none. If you not want any of the bullet or dot, just put none. There is no dotted sign. Clear? So like this we can make the list. Next, horizontal list with CSS means how we can create horizontally. That we will possible with the help of CSS. If you have idea, now you can understand somewhat the CSS. Just try by self this one. Means like navigation bar. You can see this one. Open W3 school or any of them. Here you can see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these all navigation bar. This only we can create with the help of the list. Okay, we can take the list, unordered list or ordered anything. Mostly we can take with the help of unordered list because we not want the numbering. So we will go unordered and then we can create this one. Okay, so here already you have navigation bar. Just go through this code and check what are the things are written. Ordered list already we discussed. Nothing is there, whatever we have. Yeah, so here like one property attribute we can tell, not the property. In the case of order list, type attribute. So by default we had got there 1 2 3 4. I want ABC, put A. Now you got the ABCD. If you will change this as a small a, let's say you will get a small a. Now I want Roman format. Give I. 1 2 3. Give a small letter of I. 1 2 3. Okay, so like this type we are changing the order. And second one thing, if you will start here, suppose that by 10, it will not take. It will always means it will identifying whether it's numeric, alphabetic, Roman number, whatever type is there, that it's deciding, and according to that it will work. So uppercase, lowercase, Roman number, these all things. Control list count. Yeah, if you want to start from the some value, it's from the 1. I want to start from some value. You can take property as a start. You can take 30, then it will start from the 30. So like this type means you can give the type as well. Suppose a Roman number I, let's see. Clear? So like this type, we can give our type plus start value. Now nested HTML list. Nested means already we know internally. So that is the thing. Here one OL is there, and inside the OL we have li copy t resolve, and inside the t two type of tea, black tea, green tea. So like this type it had make the order. That's it. Clear or any doubt? I'm not thinking that it will be very simple actually. If you have doubt, then tell.